Today I'm making what we call a Roosterkoek in Afrikaans. Loose translation, griddle cake or griddle bread, whatever you want to call it. It's basically going to be a bread that goes onto the open fire on a griddle, and that's how you make it. South African thing again. So you take 500 milliliters of self-raising flour, so that's about 2 cups. One. 2. Okay. About 25 ml of sugar, 2 dessert spoons or whatever you call it. 2. Let's say a pinch of salt, about 2.5 grams, so a little bit. That's it. And then how much water? I've got the instructions. No, it's 200 milliliters of water. Okay, so let's just mix this all together. It's got to be quite a thickish cake. I'll wash my hands, okay? Ooh, the messy stuff.
Can I come and help you, Werner?
Yeah.
I think you need some oil there too, man.
Oh yeah, I need the oil.
You need some oil. How much
Yes,
of this stuff?
25 ml.
25 ml.
See, I should have read the thing.
So it's 2 of these.
Two of these. Yeah, another one.
Some coconut oil.
Yes.
I think it's cool.
Yeah. Let's see if this works. Yes. I'm not a baker.
You're going to need some more dough in there. I mean, what do you call it?
Flour.
Flour.
I think more flour. Because the water is too much.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, okay. Messy. That's why we leave it for the woman. Yes, right.
I think you need some more.
I think I know, yeah, one more. One more, okay? Yeah. Look at the messy stuff. So, hand utensils I don't think is the best of it, yeah. So when I make this, I don't know. The first when you bring it, it's messy. I don't know if it's going to work.
It's going to be fine. Keep on kneading and everything.
Just to get the stuff off your hands.
Keep on going. They don't bake a bread in like 2 minutes. Here we go.
The recipe said maybe that's 500 more. I don't know. Maybe that's the whole thing.
You see. Until the consistency is right. I think it's getting there.
Yeah, it's getting there. 500 ml and 500 grams I don't think is the same thing. So that's why we took two cups. Because a cup is 250 ml, not 2.
Yeah. Getting there. Look at it.
Oh, getting there. Oh, okay, it's getting there. Yeah, it's sticky. Okay, it's getting there. self-raising flowers. I think this thing is we're gonna leave it for a bit, and it's gonna do its thing. So later we're gonna do it on the fire, and we'll show you what the end result looks like. Okay, the fire is ready. I'm going to put the bread on now. Remember, the recipe is in the description below if you want to make your own Roosterkoek. Yes, and let's see how it comes out. Awesome.
Like some mustard there, Werner.
Yes, please.
Coleman's mild whole grain mustard. Good blob, eh?
Yeah.
My spoon's too small for the friggin' thing. Borrow me your knife. Thank you.
Try that.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Awesome, dude.
Awesome. Thanks, bud.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Let's try this Roosterkoek of yours, Werner. Dude, well done.
Awesome.
Very nice. How's that sausage?
I like it.
Knackwurst.
Knackwurst.